If your house is tilting or cracking, finding a solution can be difficult. Different contractors offer different solutions, some of which sound great and some of which are really only a temporary band-aid. In this video, we are going to cover all the different solutions in detail. This video is about the push pier system of Stabiliforce Technologies. We're going to learn what push piers are, how they are installed, when they should be used, and their pros and cons. What are push piers? Push piers are made with heavy-duty steel and connect to your foundation with a bracket. Like helical piers, push piers are driven into the soil one section at a time until they reach load-bearing soil or bedrock. The steel brackets that connect the piers to your home's foundation transfer the weight of your home down to this more competent soil. This is important because you don't want your repair system to use the same unstable soil that caused the problem in the first place, the soil that makes up part of the active zone. When your house rests on competent soil, it will stop settling, and if desired, the push pier system will lift the house back to its original position.